when we're making offers is that people have a pain or they have a problem, right? And the ultimate goal is that we get them to the pain killer, right? The ultimate goal is that we get them to the painkiller. And this is all on your sheet, but I'll use this to kind of lay it out. So often I see so many of you selling vitamins to people who need painkillers. And you've heard me say this before. And what does that mean, right? It's the, I'll help you grow your business. Don't you want to feel better, right? Don't you want to, whatever. And what ends up happening is, the best analogy I have is that you send, you're doubled over in pain, trying to get into urgent care of the doctor's office. You get in, you're seen, you're screaming, you can't even catch your breath, you're in so much pain. And the doctor says, yes, I can see, wow, this pain is intense. I'm going to recommend that you do some vitamin C and some vitamin D. After you punched the doctor in the face, even if you're not a violent person, you go, is this a real doctor? Right? Like you can't catch your breath because you're in so much pain, right? So you have to think of your offers as that, and you have to think of you as presenting your offers in that way. Is there a huge pain here?